As this month of January is ending, you still have the chance to make 2026 your best year. Now listen, I'm going to tell you how to make 2026 your best year ever. Pay attention to the last one. Number 1, stay wicked. Staying wicked is all about knowing what you want, setting your target towards it, and executing your plans towards it like your life depends on it, because it does. Stop being a nice person. People will use you if you're a nice person. Stay wicked and allow people to start seeing you like a wicked person. And if you're observant enough, you'll notice that wicked people always last long in whatever they are doing. And that is because they have already mastered them as wicked people who you shouldn't mess with. I'm telling you right now, in this generation, being a nice person does not pay. Activate your wickedness and see how people will value and respect you. You understand? Number 2, activate your shamelessness, because people who are likely to make it in life are the shameless people. Normalize doing your thing and staying on your lane irrespective of what people will say, because no matter what you do in this life, people must talk. If you start doing something newly today, there must be a very big setback and mockery. But your ability to continue doing that thing until you start seeing a positive result is what makes you a shameless person. The reason why some people are still stagnant in their hustle or businesses is simply because they are still considering what people are going to say about them. Learn how to be shameless with your hustle and watch how your success will render your enemies speechless. Number 3, stop competing with people openly. Competition should be a motivation between oneself to become the best. I mean the best version of his or herself. Competition motivates someone to do better, but competing with people openly shows enviousness and witchcraft. Whenever you see someone who is doing better than you, lower your pride and align with that person. That particular person will show you what you don't know. Stop competing with people openly, because anybody whom you are competing with is actually driving his or her own inspiration from his or her own perspectives. But you are driving your own inspiration through that person's success. If you learn how to convert competition into self-motivation, you will move from grass to grace. Number 4, stop reacting to criticism. Criticism is another form of motivation. Use it to build your next move. If you are the type of person who doesn't want to be criticized, believe me, you can never attain a higher level. Even the president of a country can be politically criticized. And if a whole president can be criticized, who are you? Anybody who is criticizing you now is doing you a big favor, because they are giving you a good guideline to your next move. Channel those your energy to the bad things people are saying about you. That is your own area of concentration. If you learn how to accept criticism, you will never lose focus or direction in life. Number 5, leave your comfort zone. In this aspect, your comfort zone is your bad habits, such as smoking, womanizing, drinking, going to nightclubs and gambling. Listen, let me tell you, in this life, nature have designed it in such a way that nothing goes for nothing. If you want to be brilliant, reading books is the price you pay. If you want to be a good singer, constant practicing and studio section is the price you will pay. If you want to be successful, getting rid of old habits, re-strategizing your life, applying a lot of consistency and a very big patience is the price you will pay for successful. If you get rid of your old habits and develop a new mindset, you will go far this year. Number 6, stop seeking for recognition. Recognition is earned and not demanded. Work hard so that your success will get you recognized. You see, some people have been working so hard in order to get recognized, forgetting that the recognition they are looking for relies on their success and productivity. The world's greatest men who have passed away but are still being remembered today are because of what they invented and produced, not by the words of their mouths. So dear listener, if this message meets you today, take it as your sign. Don't leave this page to chance. Follow Uncle Andrew now. And if you find this content valuable, comment "I'm learning" and press the share button to benefit others. Let's learn and rise together. God bless you.